And welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be playing a little bit more of a Teardown. I don't know why I just said it like that, but today, okay, yeah, we're gonna fly this helicopter into that building. I forgot if I did that in my other Teardown video, but like, we're doing it again. Take control. Do something right there. Normally I would use my Six Saber so we can go quicker, but I've tried that before and that does not go well. Okay, we have going on to building. Oof. Boy, that did a lot of damage. Okay, now we're gonna do something that will crash my computer. Oh man. Okay, now that we're in here, let me get my liquefier. This thing could do some incredible things. Things that lag my computer a lot. Also, you could liquefy things that makes it turn into little like cubes. And good thing I have a thing that can get rid of them at command, which makes it so my computer doesn't break. Yeah, this thing is very powerful. It's almost kind of like the Thanos thing. Yeah, Thanos snap. The Thanos snap can obliterate larger things, but the thing is, there's no way to get rid of it. It just kind of lags the game. I mean, it's pretty cool. Anyways, I'm gonna have to send this space where it belongs. So, where is it? I need the Sif Saber. There it is. Now, I'm just gonna not lift this up in the air. Fine. Then I will just have to destroy it. I really like the Sif Saber mod. Yeah. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna restart this map so everything will be back to normal. Also, recently they added that thing. Sadly, if you go, you can't really go inside it. Well, you can if you use like mouse, like the Flymon, but I don't know if they're planning to, but they haven't added anything actually in it yet. So I did just see something cool. At least they have a cockpit. That's pretty cool. Now time to bust this thing. So let's just go. Okay, well yeah. Okay. Ooh, let's burn it. Is it on fire? No. I know something that'll get on fire. Okay, this is getting too laggy. I'm gonna have to restart it. And with that being said, I think this is where we're gonna end the video. But guys, I don't know for sure, but I am planning on doing a Minecraft live stream on. It'll just be like Minecraft Pipe 5, but it'll just be a live stream. And I'm planning to like get a house set up and stuff like that. So see you then, and bye.